welcome to Nanhua Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Babalo. Today I'll be doing the first part of a dance piece called Power. Let's get started. So the first step is right, left, right, 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 left, right, right. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, 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 left, right, right. So the second movement is right, left, right, 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 left, right, right. So let's combine all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Then from here, be 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 and 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba and ba. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, da, 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 and up. Ba, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then after this movement, ba, ba, right. 1, 2, da. 1, 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, 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 da, 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 da. Then from here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's start from ba, 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, da, ba, da, da, ba, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The next movement is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, ba, and up. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, da, and up and down. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, ba, up, down. Then let's start from ba. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, da, ba, da, da, ba, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, da. Let's combine from the top till the end with music. 5, 6, 7, well done. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.